Ladies and gentlemen, let me see the hands of all the people who are born as a winner. If you're born as a winner, hands up in the air. If you put God first, second and third, and the blessing come forth, wave your hand from side to side. Never you mix up and just come with an original. Don't mix the original with just come. This is one of the humblest artists I've ever come across. A great lyricist, always giving you inspirational, motivational, and clean lyrics. Listen to carefully. You're in for a musical treat. Love and honor the cruise. Help me to welcome one of dancehall greatest of our time, the one, the only, Assassin, Agent Sasco. Make some noise for Assassin.
If I your own clothes, you want me to go some, put your one in on it. You don't sit down and go forward. Sit down and ladies and men at the place. You're looking fine, you don't visit them in a dance hall. We say right now, put your one. Let me see that part, I never did. Big up all who jump the boat, find a way if we come in. But big up all the people, they may pay if we come in. Well, put your one in on the air. Love and arm and it show. Oh, I say, come on, I mean, say every man. I get the show, me down on the vibe. When we say everybody, hold on, you look at the people now, you believe it? You not hear me? Can you hear me? You come like me not hear you now. Some want a visual cue. Put your man in the air. Run this and not hear them. So put your man in the air. No man on the over there, so we want to see you just. Put your man in the air. Hey, come on. Put your man in the air. Come on, the eyes, hey. Now come on, now we say every man. Forget the trouble, down on the van. Everybody tag it down. Listen, everybody. Oh, I say, come on, everyone. Forget the trouble, down on the van. But we say everybody tag it down. Alright. Good night, massive. I'm looking at the people that I got. We got to make a connection tonight. Alright. And what kind of vibes you need? I look like we're in a smooth sailing mode. Want to say smooth sailing? So we just do some nice reggae song and come off. And we must dance all and everything, alright. Are you sure? What's your name? You don't know warm up yet. I'm going to try that one again. You know that one? When me say nothing at all, them can't do it. Oh, me say nothing at all, them can't do it. Them attack, but nothing at all, them can't do it. We use them like half a me, but talk to me no one arm and it. No rifle, no shotgun, no one pop. They not a high, not a border. So them a ball man, so them want to see we man stop. They want to set it up, them say they rank up. Put up the one that if you know, say this and shot. Make a finger like a gun, almost a one shot. You see me tell you, them not here. Level. Only not here, not know what going up here, sir. Love and harmony, only not here what going up here. Hold on there. So, hold on. Jamaican people out there, sir. People who love reggae and dancehall music stand up out there, sir. So then, you say, you not hear when me say this, I'm gonna sit no hand go up. I'm gonna hear no blank bus. Make me try this again. Love and harmony, put up the one them if you know say this and shot. Make a finger like a gun and bust a one shot. Fire shot away, twist him and drop them shapes is a bulletproof. Well, I'm gonna say nothing at all, them can't do it. Oh, me say nothing at all. Well, I'm gonna say nothing at all, them can't do it. Oh, me say nothing at all, them can't do it. We just say like half a believer. But well, I'm man say no, them can't touch a button. He put up dog anytime he buy me look. Oh, me say no, them can't do me no. No, we no lamb to no slaughter. So me say, oh, not a thing, oh, not a thing. No, we no matter about no what they name a thing. Hey, not a thing, oh, not a thing. Level the rhythm, the whole of love and harmony massive sing. Say nothing at all, them can't do it. Oh, me say nothing at all. Them a talk, but nothing at all. We use them like half a people talk to me, and I say nothing at all, them can't do it. Oh, me say nothing at all, them can't do it. Them a talk, but nothing at all, them can't do it. Yes, by the way, if them never tell you no, you see on a concert, when a song done, you will say woo and clap, and yeah, make nice. If you have a lighter, you can turn it on. Although lighter all up on the ship, I don't know. So just ball forward and make nice. So listen to smooth sailing or a mad vibe or what are they? Mad vibe or smooth sailing, what want to say? Big up all I want to see sick. Check off respect. Alright. Level little bit there. Because I like agrees with the people there. Now, when we do that song here, level. When we do that song here, I think a Blackberry did about. Them time that the phone them is semi-literate. Now the phone them well smart. You got to know what you're doing with these phones. Hold on, you ever talk about something as I open your phone, you see it panic? I mean, what that happened to? If my time phone just come in and you could have just send two texts and whatever. Alright. I mean, one ever send like a picture and put it with your friend, family to be sending in a group chat or for the person you see. I mean, one of them. So massive. The smarter the phone them get, you better be smart with your phone. Press and then over your up on your phone. Check on the first go back home. Then all the things them get home. Oh, tell them left out at home. Tell them, no make it. No make it. You know what juggling. The clean out people them pick up on themselves. I want on the balcony, VIP them there, who them there, who them there. Eh? Clean out people them so. The clean out people them love and harmony. Hey, tell the bad man one day, if they would only leave us alone as a pal of grenade. Them would get well, my heart and get me fast, and make me tell them. Tell them. Well, alright then, tell me you're that people. You don't know so behind me a people. Yes, hypocrite and bad mind. Some of them are fancy people. Them the like when you step out in it up. Think that people, the angle of people. So them, no say if them try step to me then make the news people. It's a from a little bit of me a sneak out. It's a be a curve me a sneak out. Because don't know we're gonna me sleep out and come in the next man in sleep out. Some news will leak out. Hey, you know what do I gonna like that? Hey, and I like some guy, some of them and one more time. Tell the bad man one them. If they would only say and some call up in there. That will get well, my hand and get me cross. I'm a pretend boy. When I'm going to come and cabin, you know. 2026, see with me from COVID, I can't keep the ear them straight. So, if my career starts 2001, and this is 2026, how much years that lady? Good. And she never have to knock her chest neither, she just do it so. I like them, right? Big up yourself. So, I can't get a round of applause for 25 years in all kind of wicked people in this. So here it has been so long, 25 years, otherwise known as a quarter century. I started my career with a different name too. What I try to say, we have assassin fans from Love and Harmony, brother, so. Hey, Chuck, go tell them so we band it, but we bold it now. Cold from bird, go to a cold, I'm murder, you know some of the bands, tell them what's over, tell them we are still banded. So we are still banded, so we are still banded. Don't mean nobody have to know. One more, say, so we are still banded, still banded. You know what song on this level? But the bad mind day, never yet have nothing good to say. They take joy in our dismay. Bad mind day would like to take. Unto the Almighty we pray, from His guidance every day. Love and our money, yo, who no bad mind we have. True, we have to love it and kill them. True, them here we get on them. That's the really most of them. Nothing about them not tell. And outside we are sleep on them. Sleep on them. Sleep on them. So them are warm up now. Alright, they look like gonna come out of smooth sailing now in a different mode now. What you play for me? Level the sound here, gents. Yesterday I have an event name represent where you come from. I saw the name yesterday and the day before. Day before? Some of you says an international affair. I see people from all about there. I'm going to try to remember some of the flag them I did say. A few St. Lucia flag, the St. Lucia people rather because them come off and shoot on Bahamas. What about Trinidad? You know still there? I like the Trinidad down home. How them do it? Anybody there from Barbados? One and go. Two, three, four, alright. We're alongside the coastline of Cuba. Any Cuban there? It's not one. Oh, see the big up the Cuban country. Come now, who did good in Nigeria? Which part the next place they never get? Mr. St. Lucia already. Jabba in the building, hating myself, slap myself. I lie, one and missing. Alright, which part we reach now? Cayman usually they know where them two little men. Guyana, I like Guyana there, big up on yourself, Guyana. But you have a place, going on the Caribbean. And when them say where you come from, and the most flag myself. Go and go tell them, if it's a game, we ready to play, boy. If it's a, hey, let me wait, come on. Our Jamaican massive on the boat, say, I know we are the people there. I say, we are the hero, place on our standing. Fathers, we have been up, and our girl them. And boy, so we must eat up, so we don't take care of man. Then we are people with success. Because we need for the love and not the money and the fame, but I work still. We give thanks to when we get sure. We would not hype up, but we okay. We just a work and we have a standard we maintain. Crazy sick and we get me insane. Melody them bad, the mix them no play. Love and harmony through all of the people them. Well, you want them, I'm going to tell them. So we are this, so what tell them. Then it's a girl we are. I love a girl there. I want to be more people. So we don't take care of her. Like how the girl them look so good, me I borrow a song and sing for me. Name got somebody, she's a very special. Take good, like it's her. What? Wanna ride by my side. Nah, the pretty girl them sing side. Where the man I say, because you are. Alright, so put me tell us say? We have to go down the show early, car. Jabba go wake up early morning. We no business for 2 o'clock them car. So we are go dance here, we don't care what. Put a dance on there. No matter you take hear no gunshot then. It's me permit. We don't. What? Now, so this cruise is called Love and Harmony. I love the very name of this cruise. These are qualities that we can all embrace. What I want to say? Love and harmony. In Jamaica, we usually marry love with an next word too. Love and marriage, lady. You see why you with the pan on the boat here? It's a love boat. It's alright. Love and what? Love and respect. And then sometimes when the love goes second, you have a next word that them put a bit before the road. That is what? Peace and... Yo, give her a round of applause or something. Not back there. What you say? Peace and love, though. Peace and love, love and respect. Love and... That we are talking about. So these are concepts that the clean heart people them understand. So the song I'm going to sing right now, matter of fact, and even me alone I'm going to sing it. You have a microphone on there? Yes? If you are don't feel, see that. If you are don't feel, come off and move with that boy. Cause love and harmony is love and when I see my friend, enemy, when I have faith. If you love me, that's Sasco to my life. I want to hear you sing when I go. Don't the eye can see me grow. And they are like the trees they can bloom. And they can show love. When I go, that empty eye can watch me. So the window saw. And when the day can be so blind. Now look on the boat, you know. The clean out people that everybody. Well, I said, you know, no matter how like a shoulder. Batman stopping at the bed like a tumor. Them fed back this time. When you're not paid by tumor, them till buggy for life under the paluma. Start going on at the end. So you can go get your visa, you fly, you never pay for you that hold. Them sit down and calculate time and you back home. Them say what you say. Roman and go. And up the eye can't feel it room. And they are like the trees, they can't bloom. And they shall show. Say! When I know that up the eye can't watch me through. And when the daytime is so blind through. And they can slowly. Alright, singer. We feel like so. Them change a gear out of smooth sailing. What are they now? Rough seas or seasick? What are they? Smooth sailing, see me? I want to love and harmony. You see like how the love and harmony. Now I'm going to try a song, and if you believe in love and harmony, just feel free to sing along. Sing it, say man to man. I don't hear nobody else sing. What is? You don't know. Your worst enemy could be the great man said, and your best friend. What? Oh Lord God, because of what them do, cause some will eat and drink. Oh yes, you know, say that at you, and then what? And you know even about you, the man say, it's only your friend. So I'm massive, it's only he and she too. Sing. People say, oh Lord. You know a song from the rhythm last night, you know, people never there. How the song again? What next song from the rhythm? Happy day of my life. Words to them queer, I'll be over in my sight. Watch them people down the road for bus down, come down, so I don't know. So I just say fresh, they want here. Like for the days, when he says something. Oh, yeah, they have been like guys. I'm talking about the wedding guys. You know, more about them people, yeah. More about them, you know. You still have smooth sailing, you know. I'm going to try that one, a bass time. If you seek of only vanity, they got no love. They shall fade away. Say what? We don't hear no massive say. If you seek of only vanity, you will never dirty my mentality. They gonna fade. Alright, sing, I'm not doing a reason. Play my little bass line. When you are crossroad, watch out for people. In a life, you have to watch out for people. Them say watch out for wolf in a sheep clothing, but me I tell you no, watch out for the sheep too. What's that the wolf them? No for them are evil. All who you just help, claim them no need you. Yes, people always if you watch out for fake friend, you better careful of fake family. So hey, then all who you them with figure. God them slave and the guy them a street too. You better watch out your hand. Hey, sing and tell them again, sewa. When I see
My friends and enemies, when I am with don't think no part. And when I see my friends and enemies, when I am with oh, me on the way down, bring on myself. I don't know.
round of applause to Romain Virgo. That's what I'm talking about. Una wanna vibe, una wanna vibe. If you wanna vibe.